Hello Year 3 and welcome to Lesson 2 of Maths, and today we are subtracting money, not adding money like yesterday, but taking it away, subtracting money using pounds and pence. Our date is the 16th of March 2021, just there, so write that down and then underline it with a ruler, and then afterwards LO is to subtract money using pounds and pence symbols. And then you write that down neatly, and then you underline it with a ruler very neatly. Perfect. Okay, pause the video, give yourself time to do that, then unpause when you're ready for the daily starter. 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. Okay, we've got 4 different questions there. So, pause the video now, give the daily starter a try, and then unpause when you're ready to check those answers. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's have a look at the answers now. There we are. So what was the missing number here then? Well, we had a block of 100. There was 30 of them. So what's left over? 70. 70 was the answer there. 64 add 64 is 128. 100 take away 35. 65. 8 times 2, 16, 20 divided by 5 is 4, and finally, how many pentagons are there? Well, a pentagon is a 5-sided shape, and there are 2 of them. There's one, there's the other, so the answer was 2. Okay, hope you did well with that. Let's have a look at what we're doing today. Okay, let's work together. Like this bit. Subtraction. So, let's remember what we have to do. With subtraction, we have to work backwards, okay? With adding, we always add on, so we're always going forwards. But with subtraction, we wanna go backwards. So you might see here that we've got £4.50p on the screen. So we're gonna have to work out what goes into these gaps. So we have to work backwards from there. Okay, we've got £4.50. What coin is this? Did you say 50p? That's good. It is 50p. So we're going to take away, we're going to subtract 50p from £4.50, which leaves us, that's right, £4. £4 will go into here. Very good. £4. And then we're going to take away some more, like a lot more by the looks of it. So you've got a £2 coin and a £1 coin. Now what's £2 add £1? Yes, £3. So we're going to do £4 take away or subtract. £4 subtract £3. What's 4 take away 3? Here's my 4. Take away 3 of them. Left with the 1. I could have done that better, I'm sure, but I should have £1. So I should have £1 here, and I should have £4 here. Shall we check to see if we're right? Yep, good idea. Let's have a look. Yes, we are. Good. Because we filled in the 50p there, we filled in the £3 there, filled in the £4 there, and the £1 there. Now it's your turn. Let's have a look at what we're doing. Okay, if you want to try the green chili questions for the fluency, pause the video now, and then unpause once you've finished all of those and you're ready to check your answers. Okay, let's look at the yellow chili questions in 3, 2, 1. Yellow chili questions, here they are. There are 4 of them. If you want to try those, pause the video now and unpause when you're ready to check the yellow chili answers. And finally, here are the red chili questions. Have a go at these 4 questions if you want to try them for the red chili. And then once you're ready to check the answers, unpause the video. And we're going to do that in 3, 2, 1, answers. Okay, here are the answers to the green and the yellow chili. Pause the video now if you need those. Remember, you can always rewind if you need reminding of what the questions were. And here are the answers for the red chili questions. There we go, good. Pause the video if you need to. go back if you need to. Right. Good effort, guys. Well done. Reasoning time. Okay. 3 children are calculating £4.20. Remember that? £4.20. Subtract, let's take away, £1.50. Okay. Now, 3 children are trying to work out how this is done. Annie is one of them. Teddy is the second one. And Eva is another one. Okay. They've all used different methods by the looks of it. Teddy's used the number line. Annie's used something different. I don't know. And Eva has as well. Okay. Well, I suppose whichever method works best, we'll find out from this. But which method do you prefer? I mean, we've been using the number line so far, and that's been pretty good, but it's up to you. Anyway, who do you think is correct? Let's have a look. £4.20, subtract £1.50. So, Annie's taken away the pounds first. But for some reason, she's got £4 take away £1 equals £2. Is that right? Doesn't seem right to me. And then she's put 20p take away 50p equals 30p. Well, that can't be right because 50 is bigger than 20, so we can't take it away from 20p. I think she might have got a little bit confused and tried to swap around numbers. So let's have a look at Teddy's method then. Teddy starts on 420 and, oh, hang on, he's counting, oh no he's not, he's counting up, my mistake, he's counting up from 150 to 420 and seeing how much it takes him to get there. So he knows that only 50p more is needed to get up to £2. Remember, he's still got to get up to £4.20 though. And he knows that if he adds another £2 on, that'll get him to £4. And then just another 20p and he's at £4.20. Then what he's done is he's added all of these up and he's got the difference is £2.70. Okay? That looks right to me. I would say that Teddy is correct. I would say that Annie is incorrect. Let's have a look at Eva's. So Eva has done £4.20. Take away £2. That equals £2.20. And then £2.20 that we got from here. Add the 50p equals £2.70. And that's a different way of doing it, isn't it? Very good. Let's see who was right then. Well, Annie, unfortunately, the second step of her calculation was incorrect. But Teddy and Eva both got the correct answer using different methods. They certainly did. So that means that there's more than one way of doing this. It's whatever way works best for you. Let's have a look at the work that we've got to do now. There are 2 reasoning questions for the green chili, so pause the video now if you want to give those a try. If you want to try the yellow chili questions, pause the video now. Or if you want to try the red chili questions for reasoning, pause the video now. And we'll have a look through the answers to both of those questions for each of the chilies. In 3, 2, 1. There we are. Pause the video now. Have a check with those with reasoning, with your answers in your book, because we never really write things the same as the answers here, even though we might be right. And obviously with this, we can use different methods too. So just check carefully, go back if you need to, and then once you're ready, we'll carry on with some problem solving. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try one together. Jack has £2.90 and Teddy has 3 times as much money as Jack. So that means that we'd have to times that by 3. We'd have to add 3 amounts of that. Okay, How much money does Teddy have? How much more money does Teddy have than Jack? Oh, wow. There's going to be lots of working out here. Let's have a little look. I reckon £2.90. That's times by 3. This might take a while to figure out, and we don't really have a lot of time in the video. But what I would do is I would do £2.90 times 3. Okay, and that should give me £6. So £2.70, £8.70. £8.70 for Teddy. So how much more does Teddy have than Jack? So £8.70 take away £2.90 equals £5.80. So I reckon £5.80 here. We're going to check this in a minute. It's a real test to me because I'm not sure what the answer is. Just working it out. Okay, £5.80. And Rosie has twice as much as that. So that must mean she must have 11. No, it doesn't. Because that was £8.70. Twice as much money. £17.40. So £17.40. Take away that. It's a lot easier if you write this down, guys. This is why it's difficult. £17.40 take away this would be, well, it's 10p to get up to £3. So it's £14.40. £14.50. Should we have a look? Please be right. I think I got it right. I don't know. I hope so. That's why we need to write it in our books. And that's what you're about to do now. Okay, green chili question. If you want to pause the video and have a go at that, then unpause when you're ready. Yellow chili question. Pause the video. Have a go at it if you want. And then unpause when you're ready. And the red chili question for problem solving. Pause video now. And then unpause when you're ready to check your answers, which we'll do in 3, 2, 1. Okay, look here, it says various answers. So there might be a lot more than one way of doing it. Okay, check those and then go back if you need to, because we're moving on in 3, 2, 1. So what have we learnt today? Well, we've learnt how to subtract money as well as add. So that was a new step today, and I'm going to leave you with this task before I go. It says a t-shirt costs £7.20. In a sale, the t-shirt costs £5.40. So how much has been taken away from that? How much of the cost has it been lowered or reduced by? What's £7.20? Take away £5.40. Last question. I'll leave you with it, and I'll see you tomorrow for more maths.